future of eco-friendly commuting is here. Jio, a name synonymous with innovation, is set to launch the 2025 Jio Electric Cycle, a game-changer in urban mobility. Packed with smart features, sleek design, and cutting-edge tech, this e-cycle promises to redefine your daily rides. Let's dive into what makes it special. Design and build. The 2025 Jio Electric Cycle boasts a lightweight yet durable frame, crafted for comfort and agility. With a minimalist aesthetic, ergonomic seating, and vibrant color options, it's designed to turn heads. The integrated LED display and built-in lights ensure visibility and convenience, day or night. Performance and battery. Equipped with a powerful 250W motor, the Jio e-cycle offers smooth acceleration and a top speed of 25 km/h. Its removable lithium-ion battery delivers up to 60 km on a single charge, making it perfect for city commutes. Fast charging support means you're back on the road in just 3-4 hours. Smart features. Jio's e-cycle is more than just a bike, it's a smart mobility solution. Features like Bluetooth connectivity, a dedicated app for ride tracking, and anti-theft alerts keep you in control. The inclusion of regenerative braking enhances efficiency, while the USB charging port ensures your devices stay powered. Price and availability. Expected to launch in early 2025, the Jio Electric Cycle is rumored to be priced competitively under Indian rupee 30,000, making it an affordable entry into electric mobility. Keep an eye out for official updates. The 2025 Jio Electric Cycle combines style, sustainability, and smart tech for the modern commuter. Will you be riding one? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on trending bikes. Ride green, ride smart.